What is happening in the country? You see, the major issues that in which the country and the people are involved is the creeping authoritarianism that is coming, which is showing tendencies of being worse than the period of internal emergency. The misuse of the sedition clause and attacks on institutes of higher education. You had it in the Pune Film Institute. You have seen the incidents that happened at IIT Chennai. You are seeing what is happening in Jadavpur University now, apart from Hyderabad and JNU. So in all the places, the control of institutes of higher education to replace the teaching of history and research in our country from reflecting the syncretic evolution in history of Indian people to replace history with Hindu mythology. That is their objective. Replace history with Hindu mythology, replace philosophy, Indian philosophy, with Hindu theology. This is the ideological foundation they require for their Hindu Rashtra. And for this, they are going to this extent of actually harassing, intimidating the students, the university community, not only students, the teachers, using their lawyers to beat up the students and the media, doctoring evidence, manufacturing evidence, in fact not merely doctoring, manufacturing evidence. The extent to which they are going today is a clear indication that the government is desperate in order to achieve their real agenda, that of transforming in the Indian Republic, the secular democratic Indian Republic, into the RSS version of a fascistic Hindu Rashtra. There will be one discussion and two calling attention motions every week. And the chairman of the Rajya Sabha will decide on which subjects. Tuesdays and Thursdays will be the calling attention motion. On Wednesdays will be the short duration discussion. So tomorrow being Wednesday, we hope that the short duration discussion will take place. We've appealed to the chairman to list the developments in Hyderabad Central University and JNU. The aim is that the government is actually taking the whole country for a ride by the Prime Minister and all other leaders saying that they are prepared to discuss. Now, being prepared to discuss is not sufficient. You have to concretely tell us when you will have this discussion. The reason I am saying it is, this first half of this session function has 16 sittings, 1/6, only 1/6. Out of 1/6 sittings, 5 sittings go for inevitable reasons, like today. There is no sitting after the President's address. On 29th, there will be no sitting because of the general budget. Fridays, the private members' bills, there will be no sitting to take up other matters. So effectively, this first half of the budget session has only 11 sittings.
Namaste, Modi ji. Thank you for inviting me to participate in this miraculous event. It is an honor to be here.